Hello friends, today we shall discuss about magnets. First we will know what is a magnet. What is a magnet? The answer is a material or object that produces a magnetic field that can affect materials around it. A magnet attracts magnetic materials like iron. Permanent magnets always have a magnetic field. Pole. One of the two ends of a magnet, but the magnetic field is concentrated, that is pole. Now we can say that what is a magnet? The name is originally from the ancient Greek word lithos magnes. The origin of the name comes as Pliny explained in his Naturalis Historia, 1780, from the legend of the Greek shepherd Magnes on Mount Ida. His iron stock and the nails in his shoes were attracted by the magnetic stones. Now we find that there are different types of magnets. We discuss the various types of magnets and what is what. Right? Now we will explain the different types of magnet. Now, what are the various types of magnets? There are various types of magnets. Actually, we divided this in three types. One is permanent magnet, second one is temporary magnet, and the third one is electromagnets. Right? Not only that, we have found that there are various types of magnets. We will show you the various types of magnets here. Right? For different types of magnets, we will show you the various different types of magnets. We already told you that magnets are generally of three types. One is permanent magnets, temporary magnets, and electromagnets. Now, we will show you the various types of magnets here. Just to see, here there are various types of magnets. Here you see, this is the bar magnet. This is the bar magnet, right? And in between the bar magnets, there is a wood to protect the property of the magnet. Here you see, one is written is, this is the North Pole and this is the South Pole, right? This is the bar magnet. And you can see that it attracts. Here you see that like poles repel each other. Here you see, this is south, this is north, therefore they are attracting. Unlike poles attracting, but like poles repel each other. You see, this is repelling. Here you can see that this is repelling. You see here, right? This is repelling. This is repelling, right? That means like poles repel each other and unlike poles attract each other, right? In this way, you can see the various magnets. Now you see, there are other magnets also. You see, this one is also bar magnet, and you see the bar magnets are separated by a wood or plastic to protect the property of the magnet. Here also you see that there are two poles, North Pole and South Pole. Here you see, this is North Pole, S means South Pole. Here also you will see that this is North Pole, this is South. Now you will find what is the effect of this one, right? You see, if you put south-south, that means same pole, then it will repel each other. You see, this is repelling, right? And if you put the different pole, that is north and south, it will attract each other. It will attract each other. It will attract each other, right? In this way, see, this is south pole, it is repelling. If you put the north pole together, it is also repelling. You see, this one is repelling, right? In this way, you can find the other magnets also. I will find various types of magnets here also. You see, there is another magnet. This is another magnet, right? This one you see here. This magnet. This is horseshoe magnet. It has north and south. It is also a horseshoe magnet, and this one means north pole, and this one is south pole. Now you see what is the result of this here also, right? Now here you see, this is the here you see that if you find this is the north pole, if you take this north pole here, you see this is again repelling. See, it's repelling. If you take this south pole here, it is also repelling. You see, this is also repelling. This is also repelling each other. And if we take north and south, it will attract. It will attract each other, right? The results say this is attracting each other, right? This is horseshoe type of magnet, right? And the magnet has two properties. One is directive property. It can show the direction. How? If you take this ball magnet and hang it on a string, it will always show in a direction of north-south direction. That is, it has the directive property, right? Besides that, there are also other forms of magnets. You see this magnet. You see, this is a type of cylindrical magnet, right? This is cylindrical magnet. Here also you see another magnet. This is also cylindrical magnet, right? Now you see here also what is the effect of the cylindrical magnet. Here you see this one. This one is north and one is south. Now you see that they are attracting each other. Here you see this is attracting each other. And if you take the same pole, then what you will find that it will repel each other, and you see, right, like this, right? It will repelling each other. You see here, you see, this is the same pole, either north or south. It is repelling, right? Here you see, this is repelling. That means this has the same property of magnet, and these are cylindrical magnets, right? Now see other magnets also. And here you see these are circular magnets. You see, these are circular magnets, and here also there are two poles. One is north, one is south, right? I'll show you that what happens to these also. You see, this is north and these are dissimilar poles, and it will attract each other like this. It is attracting like this. Again, it is attracting like this. And if you change the pole, then it will repel. You see, this is repelling too much, and the force is too much. Here you see that this is repelling each other, right? And this repelling property is used in magnetic trains. That's why the trains move over the track like this, because they are repelling each other, and the train is above the railway track and runs very fast, right? You see, in this way you see, these are repelling each other, and it is repelling the magnet also, because these are the same poles. In this way we can find that there are various types of magnets we use in our daily life. You see, this is another magnet. This hole in the circular magnet, right? This type of various magnets are used in our day-to-day life, right? And there are various uses of magnets in our daily life. We use magnets in computers, in radio, in telephone, in magnetic trails, in fans, and not only that, there are various other electronic objects like television and computers where you can use the various types of magnets. Dear friends,
If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.